Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. We are from group Mellow. First, I would like to introduce to you my group members. I am Nurayani. My other members are Rofina Ilya, Muhammad Syafiq, Nicholas Owen, and Jui Karen. We will be presenting our e-poster proposal. The theme of the poster is Act of Kindness and we chose to focus on environment. Our topic today is 3R, which stands for reuse, reduce, and recycle. To start the presentation, I will pass to Jui.
Introduction. The definition of random acts of kindness has grown to encompass random actions individuals undertake to decrease pollution, save energy, maintain ecosystem, encourage conservation, protect species, reuse resources, and other environmentally friendly activities. These random acts of kindness centered on environmental protection may be completed by everyone in just few minutes. One of the actions of kindness may be taken is by utilizing the 3R ideas, which is to reduce, reuse, and recycle. People all around are beginning to grasp and use the principle of 3Rs. Its concepts are simple yet necessary for a sustainable existence. Reduced energy and material input is critical for productivities because nowadays trash toxicity is skyrocketing and the only way to stop this issue is by preventing it from ever happening.
Urban statements: too much waste dumped in the landfill. Second, increased production cost of products like papers, plastic, and glass. For example, the cost of making papers is very high due to its manufacture requires a lot of trees to be cut down. Third, garbage is dumped everywhere, causing environmental pollution. Next, increasingly widespread water pollution. For example, dumping garbage into the water can threaten the marine life. Last one, uncontrolled air pollution. Too much garbage and not well managed can cause the person to take the easy way out by burning the garbage.
Background study 3 hours of waste management, also known as hierarchy of waste management. This waste management was first time introduced by European Union Waste Framework Directive into European waste policy. Lancing ladder. Lancing ladder is a foundation for waste hierarchy concept. It was named after the member of Dutch Parliament who suggested it in 1979 and then adopted into Dutch policy in 1993. It was organized into hierarchy of management alternative in Committee Strategy for Waste Management of the European Commission in 1989. This waste strategy was further confirmed in Commission's review in 1996. The European Commission proposed a three-step hierarchy in its legislative proposal in 2006. Step hierarchy composed of prevention and reuse, recycling and recovery with incineration, and lastly, disposal. This proposal highly criticized because it was opposite with the pro-incineration position from European Commission. The European Union then introduced new 5-step waste hierarchy in 2008. These 5 steps are waste prevention, reuse, recycling, recovery include energy recovery, and safe disposal. This 5-step waste hierarchy was arranged from most preferred option to least preferred option. Lastly, ARRE strategy. ARRE was not among engineers, which quite similar to hierarchy waste management, whereby RRE stand for avoid, reduce, recycling, and eliminate.
For the expected outcomes, there are many ways for us to do or apply this 3R in our daily life because it is very easy to do it. For example, look for products that use less packaging. When we shopping, swap a reusable tote to go grocery shopping with, and choose reusable produce bags to truly eliminate the plastic consumption issue. We also can maintain and repair products like clothes and household items. There are a ton of upcycle ideas, craft and ways to upcycle and reuse old clothing and old houseware items. And we also can borrow, rent or share items that are used infrequently. We can use car batteries. This can also be recycled. Take them to your auto shop or car parts store. They have a program where they ship this out to be recycled properly. From this 3R, we also can get a lot of benefits to our environment. For example, reduces greenhouse gas emission that contribute to global climate change. Cutting climate changing carbon emission. Because recycling means you need to use less energy on sourcing and processing new raw materials, it produces lower carbon emissions. It also keeps potentially methane releasing waste out of landfill sites. Reducing carbon dioxide and other greenhouse gases being emitted into the atmosphere is vital for stopping disastrous climate change. Conserving energy since it takes less energy to recycle than to make from scratch. Saving energy. Making products from recycled materials requires less energy than making them from new raw materials. Sometimes it's a huge difference in energy. For example, producing new aluminium from old product, including recycled can and foil, uses 95% less energy than making it from scratch. For steel, it's about a 70% energy saving. Making paper from pulp recycled paper uses 40% less energy than making it from virgin wood fibers. Prevent pollution caused by reducing the need to harvest new raw materials. Reducing demand for raw materials. Recycling reduces the need to grow, harvest or extract new raw materials from the earth. The world increasing demand for new stuff has led to more of the poorest and the most vulnerable people, for example, those living around the forest or river systems, being displaced from their homes or otherwise exploited. It's far better to recycle existing product than to damage someone else's community or land in the search for the new raw materials. Help to cut down on the amount of waste we throw away. They conserve natural resources and landfill space. Conserving natural resources. Recycling paper and wood will save trees and forests. You can plant new trees, but you can't replace virgin rainforests or ancient woodlands once they are lost. Recycling plastic means creating less new plastic, which is definitely a good thing, especially as it usually made from fossil fuel hydrocarbon. Recycling metals means there's less need for risky, expensive and damaging mining and extraction for new metal ores.
This is our poster. Our main concept is 3R, which stands for reuse, reduce, and recycle. Our main color is green, which symbolizes nature and environmental awareness. People in the poster shows that they are reusing old clothes and recycling plastic bottles. There are also other things in the poster which represent things can be used to practice 3R in daily lives. There are also other things that are close to the concept of 3R. We only have one Mother Earth, means that we need to appreciate our Earth by taking care of it using the 3R idea to save our future. Let's make everyday Earth Day. Means that we need to protect the Earth by taking part in 3R activities to make our world a happier and healthier place to live. In conclusion, 3R is an act of kindness that will improve the environment, which will indirectly improve our life. That's all from us. Thank you.